guys, so welcome to my channel today. So today I am going to work. I am very excited. So if you guys don't know, I work in a healthcare. Yeah, and I thought it would be really interesting to show you guys what it's like to work in a pharmacy. I hope you guys enjoy this video. I'm not sure if it is enjoyable for you guys to watch, but yeah, this is my outfit of the day. You can see I'm wearing a cardigan with a white coat and some pants. Yep, that's my outfit of the day. Yeah. Oh my gosh, there's a dog. I'm having kimchi stew with rice. I could not resist because it's so good. And it's like 9 p.m. and I'm watching My Name. I think that's what it's called. towel picnic mat. It's a piece of towel that can fit 2 bumps. That's so cute. Bye, doggo. Bye. Bye, bye, doggo. Bye. Having mashed potato tonight. Having steak. Yum. That looks so good. I like medium, it's fine.
Yeah. A bit more medium rare. More medium.
I love the marshmallow. Oh my gosh, I'm working tomorrow. Not looking forward to it.
How's your day been?
Pretty gay. I woke up and I slept again. And then I woke up again. It was 10:30.
Not too late.
And I stayed in bed until like 1. Today's weather is so good. And I am staying at home.